Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. So in this set we are doing a pink Barbie set. So I already did my pinky off camera. Here you see me picking up a bead of light pink acrylic that I am just gonna lay down and then slowly cover the whole finger in that same light pink. I did go ahead and speed up the footage on this application. So next we are going to go in and I'll apply our butterflies. So on the palette on the left side of the screen, you can see I have dark pink butterflies as well as ones that are a little lighter. And then there are some holographic butterflies as well. So I'm going to apply those all over the nail. Next, we're going to go ahead and apply pink sequences. So I chose to use like the ones that are a little darker pink so that you can see the difference between the pink of the butterflies and the pink of the sequins. So that's why there's a couple shades of pink in there, but at the end it does look all tied together and all beautiful. Next, we are going to encapsulate our design. So I am picking up a bead of clear acrylic. I'm placing it right in the middle of the nail, and then I'm going to slowly work the acrylic down. I do make sure to push the acrylic into the nail as I am trying to get the acrylic into where the butterflies are and where the sequence is, so we don't have any air bubbles in between. So you're just going to see me just keep doing that and pushing until the whole nail is basically covered in acrylic. I do go ahead, and if there are any spots that are like not even, I do go in and add more acrylic. I will be looking at the nail from all sides as well. Next, I am applying dark pink acrylic on the middle finger. So this one is going to be an ombre. So the bottom's going to be dark pink, and then the top part is going to be the light pink that was used on the ring finger. I'm adding the ombre, so you see me pick up a bead of light pink acrylic. I'm going to place it right above the dark pink, and then I'm going to slowly push it up, and then I'll also like blend it in the middle just to make sure that it blends seamlessly so there isn't like a straight line across, so you can see the divide between the two. So I'll blend it down very nicely and very gently too, as I do not want to blend the light pink all the way down the nail. I just want it to blend right in the middle. Next, we're gonna go in and encapsulate our pinky. So this one is all dark pink. So I'm just gonna pick up a bead of clear acrylic, and then I'm gonna place it in the middle and then slowly work it down the nail. Next, we're also gonna encapsulate our ombre nail. So I am gonna do the exact same thing that I did on the pinky. Next is our index finger. So this one is going to be all dark pink like the pinky. So you do see me pick up a bead of acrylic. I place it on the nail and then I slowly work it down. I also did go ahead and speed this up as well. So I did go ahead and leave this part in real time so you can see how I do my cuticles. So I do pick up my bead, I place it, and then I gently push on the acrylic closer to the cuticle, but to make sure that I don't touch my cuticle. By doing that, I'm making sure that the acrylic fills the spot where the cuticle would be, again, but without touching. And then I gently work it down, blend it in with the rest of the nail. If there are any spots that are like empty, once I've like wiped it down a little, I do go in with more acrylic and try and fill in those spots. And if for some reason I do end up with a bit of acrylic on the skin, I do go ahead and wipe that off. Next, we do go in and encapsulate our index finger with clear acrylic. So this is just the same steps of encapsulation that I was doing with the other fingers. The nails look so pretty. I'm just showing you here close up how they look like after the acrylic application. So next we are going to go in with our e-file. So you do see me balancing my two pinkies there so they're touching so my file doesn't jump. I do start off with my cuticle and I go from left side to right side or right side to left side, whichever is more comfortable for you. Next, I file the surface of the nail. The reason I'm doing this is because when I applied my acrylic, I tried to lay it down as smoothly as I possibly could, but some spots are not as smooth, so we are going in with our e-file and making sure that the nail is smooth from all directions, and then you will see a part where I do touch with my finger to make sure that it is smooth and to try and decide where I need to file more if I do, and if I don't, then that's fine, then I just continue. So next we are going to file the pinky. I did go ahead and speed up the footage as the steps that I'm taking are exactly the same as our ring finger. Next, we're gonna file our ombre nail, and I also did go ahead and speed this up as it is the same process. Next, we're gonna do our index finger. So again, I did go ahead and speed up the footage because it is exactly the same e-filing steps as all the rest of the fingers that we have done so far. So next we are going to go in with our duster and we're going to dust off the nails. So next we are going to go in with our buffer. So we are going to buff the nails. The reason we do buff the nails is the e-file does leave some ridges or lines on the nail, and the buffer is going to smooth all of that out so that the nails are silky smooth. So we get rid of all of those lines that are left over from the e-file. So next we are going to clean our nails. So you did see me spray the nails with some alcohol, and then I am going to go in with a lint-free wipe and wipe the nails clean. I'm going to wipe each nail individually, and then as well you will see me wiping the underside of the nails because we do have dust that goes under there while we are using our e-file and while we're buffing as well. Are looking so cute, so I'm just showing you a close-up here of how they look. Next we are going to go in with our top coat. So this is a glossy top coat from Not Polish. So I'm just going to apply the top coat on each nail, so all of the nails are going to be shiny. Nails are looking so cute, so I'm just showing here a close-up of how they look like with the top coat. And then next we are gonna go in with our bling. So I decided on the bling last minute after the top coat was already put, so I did just put my bling in onto the top coat and cured it that way because I didn't want to get up off my chair and go find my bling glue. Next, we are going to cure the nails for 60 seconds. I do 2 rounds of 60. And then I'm going to show you here a close-up of how the nails look. They look so pretty, and you get to see the butterflies close up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!